After downloading the software, go to the dist folder and open the index file. This will open the Extractor tool. For this demo, we will use a testnet. Select mnemonic. Type your seed phrase. If you have a passphrase, enter it in the field mnemonic password. In this example, we will leave it blank. The next step is a derivation path. Open the contract and go to Developer Tools. Open the Network tab, and under the response, you should be able to locate the derivation scheme. Copy and paste the derivation path. The private key will appear here. Copy and paste the transaction skeleton hex. Partially signed transaction and a full transaction will appear. By opening a console, we can see Bitcoin addresses and respective amounts. To verify this transaction, copy and paste the hex into the transaction decoder. We will use a block cipher. This example is on testnet. Click Decode Transaction. We can see the transaction inputs, outputs, and other relevant information. Go back to the extraction tool and click Broadcast. By clicking the link, you will be taken to the mempool where you can see the information about the transaction that was broadcasted.